everyone, I'm Davy, and today I am doing a thrift and flip for you. I'm taking some thrift store items and remaking it into a completely different thing that is affordable and adorable. This is also in collaboration with Patricia at Living Even Keeled. She just redid and remade over her kitchen, so definitely go check out her channel after you watch my video here. But if you're coming over from Patricia's channel, welcome. I do videos on simple and thrifted living, DIYs, homemaking, and motherhood, and I'd love to have you consider subscribing. And of course, hit that thumbs up button so I know you enjoy these thrifted type of videos as well. But I'm gonna jump in and share with you how I made over what I did make, so stay tuned. Here are my items I found at the thrift store to repurpose. This is a swag, it looks like. It was $2, and I just love the pink, and it almost looks like echinacea leaves or something like that, I'm not sure. And like some baby's breath in there, that'll be cute. And then I found these embroidery hoops, and I've had these for a while actually, and I believe I got a couple of them for $1. So I'm going to try to make a little wreath. I've been seeing these on Pinterest, and we're gonna see how this works out. I might add a few extra things to it that I have on hand, and we'll just see what I create with this combination. For watching. Don't forget to go check out Patricia's channel and consider subscribing like I mentioned at the beginning. I hope you feel the desire to go and thrift or garage sale and make something over for yourself, and also have a blessed and wonderful day and 4th of July weekend. Bye.